We back in the Daytona. From the title of the video, you can see what we doing. I'm on almost E, because I got 89 in the tank right now. So we're gonna go throw some 93 in this bitch. Then we're gonna tune it. So I'll hit y'all back when we got them run the gas out. All right, we made it to the gas station. Look at the gas prices. All right, we about to fill up the Hemi. She's sitting kind of mean right now, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, basically, yeah, she dirty as hell though. She dirty as hell. We geeking up the Daytona today. We're gonna go ahead and throw that 93 in there, because that's what we do. And let it pump. Hit y'all back when it's filled up. We're gonna clean the windshields though, because I kind of broke my wiper fluid. Shit. And there's pollen. It's pollen season, so you know that pollen's starting to hit. So we put 55 in the tank. Only got me 12 gallons, so we're low-key nowhere near that full mark. All right, let's hop back in the car. Diablo Tune this bitch. All right, Diablo Tune plugged in. I kind of already messed with it last night because it came yesterday. So I plugged it into the computer and like updated it. And Diablo. Tune vehicle. Put a key in to run. Let's continue. This shit kind of slow, I'm not gonna lie, it be lagging. I'm gonna hit advanced tune. Tune select. Install standard tune. Somebody just flew by. No, go back. This shit kind of slow. Hold on. And it's 80 degrees out today, so it's kind of fucking hot. I had to restart the tuner. This shit's kind of slow, and like if you press the buttons too fast, it'll like freeze up and some more shit. So, why does this shit keep doing that? Please wait while the tuner goes. All right, I'll be right back. Dude in the bike just pulled up in front of me. We're still at the gas station taking up a gas spot. Yeah, it takes a couple minutes, but let it load. I'll be right back when it loads. Okay, we're at 100%. Oh. It was kind of fucking up the dash for a second. It was making all the lights blink. Tuning complete. You may unplug your tool and enjoy driving your vehicle, or tap continue to reboot. We're gonna reboot it because we're not done tuning. So really, I'll just unplug it. Plug it back in. I'll be right back. All right, I had to ChatGPT some stuff, but we got the tune going. It's kind of making all my dash lights pop on and off. Loading, cold air intake, 91 octane. I don't know, I couldn't get the 93 tune. That's what I have in my car, but I couldn't get it to work. Every time I pressed 93 tune, it would just put like a cold air intake tune. I don't know what that is, but we wanted the 93, but we'll get what we can get. I guess 91 and 93 are the same, so. All right, so I just took like 30 minutes tuning this bitch. I used ChatGPT for most of it, not gonna lie, because the shit was confusing. I changed my limiter, my shift points. I changed my fans because I'm on a 180-degree thermostat. I changed a couple shit. So we're uploading the tune right now. Then we're gonna take it for a little test drive and see how she pulling. I'm on the full tank of 93, so I'm only on a 91 tune. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but we're gonna find out. Hopefully it doesn't fuck the car up and blow the whole engine up, but you know, Could happen. All right, just finished the tune. Gonna crank it up. Put on my performance pages. She running pretty good. All right, I'm gonna get some driving clips next up for y'all. I'm doing some little pulls. See if this motherfucker any faster though. The throttle feels way more snappier, I can't lie. It feels snappy as fuck. I'll turn the traction off. Alright, traction. It is like bogged out. Sound like she popping, I can't lie though. Oh, there's a biker in front of us. Let's see what this nigga talking about. Hold on, we might have to switch hands. Time